Hey y'all, it's your girl Cass, and today I'm taking y'all on a house tour. We're not gonna do too much outside because there's loud construction and such, so we're gonna go ahead and go in, but I'm excited. I lived here for like a month now, so this is like a month in. We're getting somewhere, sort of. Yeah, let's get it. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating bullets. All right, so welcome to the main living area. So one of the things I fell in love with this house was just the open concept. Literally the first floor is just open, living, dining, and that was another crucial thing. I was like, I need a dining space. Like I'm in my hosting era. Like I just love being around people because I'm like, I know like at the end of the day, friendships, relationships are so important. So I want to make sure I'm able to cultivate those. I want to make sure I have a place that people can always come and hang out with me. You my friend? Hey. So that was the biggest appeal. Of course, it's hardwood floors, got the white quartz countertops. I do have so much decorating ideas. I'm gonna tell you guys about them and break them down, but let's head to the living room. So this is my living room space currently. So I do have my couch in here. That's basically the couch from my apartment. If you guys ever watch any of my old apartment content, that's the couch that I got. It's one of the convertible couches, which I saw on TikTok and I was obsessed with because again, I like being around people. I like having guests. So the more places people can sleep, the better. I literally see them doing construction. Next to that, I bought this little table thing from Amazon. I saw this girl on Instagram had it and I was like, this is perfect for me because I work anywhere but my desk, so it was great to have like a little table. I use it all the time. My sister calls it a trap because if you're laid down on the sofa comfy watching a movie, got food on the table, like it literally traps you in the sofa, she says. And as well, it's a trap because it's like everything you need is right here. It's spacious, it's everything a girl could ask for. So other than that, I just have my rug from my old apartment as well as my coffee table from my childhood home. And so again, this is completely changing this entire living room setup. Once I get my new living room set up, this is all actually going upstairs to the movie room, which we'll see soon. But I do have my TV mounted, my 65-inch also from my apartment, and we're also gonna get more like TV stand decor. I have my OG snake plant. I've had her for a long time. She has grown tremendously. Like I just feel like we've been growing up together. So I do have 2 more snake plants now that I know I have the capability to take care of them. But that is pretty much the living room. Now my vision for the living room, my manager actually says he has a leather couch for me, a brown leather couch. That wasn't in my original vision and I still have to see it, but I did start to look up things with brown leather couches. I'm like, okay, it's giving timeless, which is what I wanted in a home. So I started to look at different things. So I'm kind of thinking probably like brown leather couch and then definitely putting some throw pillows on it to kind of match the tone of the rest of the house. And then I was thinking maybe also like kind of a white cloud couch next to it. I see a lot of white and brown leather pairings, and then just like 2 really cozy side chairs. And of course I'll decorate that with different side tables, different lamps. TikTok has got me hip to the power of lamps, which I already knew because I never turn on overhead lights like just for the video. But so I already knew the power of lamps, so I'm excited to really put that into play around with different lamps. And of course, like I said, my TV area, I wanted to kind of do something that looked almost like a built-in. Like I just want to have fun with decorating like bookshelves and putting different knickknacks and stuff on them, and then just have some extra storage because I don't really have a lot of storage spaces around here. But that's the premise of the living room. Again, another big thing I like about this is the huge windows. I don't have them all open right now just because of the construction nearby, but it brings in a lot of light. The windows are huge, and even though there is very loud construction, they are very, very soundproof windows. Okay, let's move on to the kitchen. All right, so we're in the kitchen where all the magic happens. So this is a nice kitchen. I do have this bar area where I will eventually put some bar stools. One thing that I love about this kitchen is that it's not too big. I'm not a huge cook, so this was like perfect size for me. Nothing too crazy. I can wipe down the counters in like 2 seconds, and my air fryer fits, so those are all good. And so yeah, I was able to negotiate in a fridge, and they got me this really nice Samsung fridge, so that's nice. I love like all the little hanging lights. There's so many little details in this house that I felt like were an upgrade without having to pay like upgrade pricing. One of those being like the sink. Love the sink. I forgot what that kind of sink's called, but it's basically just the wide open sink. Another upgrade I feel like in the kitchen was just the stove actually has like a flat part that you can actually cook on and use. And then just everything from the hardware, like I just love the black and white. I'm obsessed with it. I know people are like anti like black and white, but I just love it as a base. And then when you have like a white base, it's like you're a designer. If you're a designer like me, start with a white canvas and then you create on top of that. And so that's kind of how I see when it comes to like very white spaces. It's like, okay, anything is possible. To the dining room. All right, so we're now in the dining space. So again, like I said, having a dining space is very important for me because I just want people over. I want people eating. I want people laughing, feeling good. I have the Galentine's coming up and I'm just excited to see my table full. So my grandma did actually bless me with this table. I did find it and I knew this was the table I wanted sometime in the future, but she messaged me and she was asked basically what I wanted for my house. So I was like, this is so far the only thing I've picked out that I know I want for sure. And so she got it for me and I love it. As you can see, I've been working from home at this table. So literally this is like my work from home corner. Like I said, I work anywhere but a desk. So yeah, that's where I pretty much sit. I work. I like that corner because I can see the entire house and everything happening. So I just love that. And yeah, this area is pretty much already done. I do want some kind of place settings I think would be nice, and then some kind of decor on this back wall here, but other than that, this room is pretty much good to go. So again, due to the construction, I'm not gonna go into the backyard. I'll probably film a shot in the backyard. It's a pretty decent sized backyard considering I was looking for, like, I don't really want a backyard. I didn't want a lot of yard maintenance, so I think it's actually a good size. Like I feel like I could have a dog back there, but I do have some ideas for the backyard. I was thinking about removing the grass honestly and kind of making it an extension of entertaining because I'm just a hostess, you guys. Like, so I've seen things with like having tables out there and a seating area, and I honestly think that would fit perfectly out there. So I think I want to do something like that and then maybe add greenery and with potted plants. So we'll see, but that's the vision for that area. So over here we have a few things going on. First up, we have my pantry. So this is where all my food is stored. This is my first time having like an actual like walk-in pantry. I think in my apartment I just had like cabinets, so it's kind of cool having a pantry. I always feel like it needs to be full. And then right here we have a half bathroom. So this is pretty much the downstairs bathroom. It does have a pocket door, which I don't love, but it's okay. And then I just need to add a few knickknacks in there. I want to add a basket just to have like feminine products, poopery, spray, like just things for my guests to use when they use this bathroom. And then I just want a better basket to store my toilet paper. And then of course I just need like a toilet bowl cleaner, just like little things, but for the most part it's a bathroom, it's good to go. And then this final door in the center here, this is my garage. So yeah, I'll insert a clip of that, but yeah, that's my garage. It's a nice 2-car garage. For now it just has my 1 car, and then I put my trash and just some other storage in there, like my Christmas tree, anything extra, pretty much Christmas stuff or stuff that I don't really need in the house. But yeah, so that's downstairs, y'all. Let's head up. We are now in the upstairs hallway. When you get upstairs, there's kind of like 2 directions you can go. So I have like what I call the primary wing, and then we have the guest wing. So let's start with the guest wing. So the first thing in the hallway on the direction of the west wing is the guest wing, is the laundry room. So pretty much it's a decent sized laundry room. It's not too big, but it fits washer and dryer just side by side, and it's pretty much where I do my laundry. Not much to add to here. I'll probably get some baskets just to make it look nicer. Probably get some store my extra linens up there. I need to get an iron and an ironing board, but yeah, that's where I wash my clothes. So this is pretty much the guest hallway. So in this hallway we have 2 guest rooms as well as a guest bathroom. We are now in the guest bathroom. So I actually have not used this bathroom at all. No one's used this bathroom that stayed here, but this is like the bathroom for the overnight guest. Yeah, I mean, it pretty much just needs standard bathroom stuff. So like I need a shower curtain, bathroom basics. But one thing I love about these bathrooms is the mirror feature. And it's in all bathrooms, which is just like amazing. It's like having a selfie ring light, and it's really upgraded my TikTok content. So I truly appreciate that. But yeah, these bathrooms are gorgeous. Again, I love the black and white base to start off with. I love the gray accent color and the cabinetry, and everything's just real nice and sturdy. The hardware is just, it just feels right, you know? So this is the first guest room you arrive at. This is pretty much gonna be my flex room. So I do already have my movie posters in here. All that furniture y'all saw downstairs in my living room will be moved up here, and I'm gonna probably put like a standing desk right here, kind of have like an office. So it's gonna be a flex space, kind of movie room, office, fun room in a way. So I'll have a TV here, and And yeah, it has a nice size closet, so this will definitely be double as a guest room because that sofa downstairs does turn into a bed, but it's gonna be a nice space to, like, you know, work outside of downstairs. Man, the lighting is so excellent when I turn the lights on. So this is the other guest room. This one is a bit larger and has 2 windows and has an actual walk-in closet, so this will definitely be turned into an actual sleeping guest room for sleeping, like an actual purposeful guest room. I don't know exactly how I want to decorate it yet, but we'll get to that. To the primary. There is an attic up there, but I just call my dad if I need something in there. So welcome to my bedroom, the primary. So of course I forgot what these ceilings are called, but we got these like vaulted style ceilings, huge windows once again, which I love, brings in the natural light. I will say this room might as well be the freaking sun in the morning because that's how much light it brings in, even with the blinds closed, but I do love it. So I have my queen size bed for my apartment that I bought at Overstock, and I still love that bed. I'm gonna keep it. I got my I have my childhood nightstands in here, so I definitely want to add like lamps. We definitely need some artwork in here for sure. On this side, I have my current desk, but I'm actually going to get a vanity mirror and just turn this into a vanity area because I've always wanted to be able to sit down and do my hair and makeup, so that will be a future vanity. So one thing about this room, I don't know if you guys can tell, I did this angle to hopefully so you all can see, there is so much space. It is very long, not necessarily wide, but very long. So my vision right now is to put like a seating area here, just make it like real cozy. Definitely need a standing mirror. I'll probably get a dresser and just like maybe smack a TV on top of that dresser. I didn't really want a TV in my room, but I don't know, this room is just so long. It feels like it needs something, and I'm like, if I have a whole sitting area, like what is it facing? And it's my room, so it's just gonna pretty much be me sitting in here. So yeah, so we'll see, but that's kind of where my head is at right now. Potential sitting area, TV area, just like a cozy space for myself, I guess. So we're in my closet. It's pretty much where I get dressed. Yeah. All my clothes fit perfectly in here. I do need a dresser, so like I said, that dresser that I put out there would store more of like all my workout clothes that I have folded up here, and then I do have some stuff still in a box down there, like scarves and stuff, and then I have my little drawer organizers that need to go back in a drawer, just kind of stuffed under here. But yeah, I don't have too many plans for the closet. I don't know, I may do that thing where you have like a little sitting thing. I don't know, I don't really get ready in my closet or do anything in my closet, so we will see. But it's a really nice size closet. I love that I can fit all my stuff. And last but not least, the star of the show, this was literally the thumbnail for this house, was the bathroom, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Like I said, I make my TikTok content in here and it just comes out like, the lighting is just so beautiful. We have the bowl tub, the oversized glass shower with a bench, like everything, every upgrade, you guys, they thought of it and they did it, and I love it every day. I'm so appreciative. Bathroom really came out great. I do need some like shower rugs, and of course we need to like break up the lights a little bit, but I love it. I really do. So yeah, that pretty much concludes the house tour, you guys. So let's sit down and chat about my experience just living here for a month, being a new homeowner a month in, and how I feel. I'm actually not sure if this mic has even been capturing audio this whole time, because I just realized the mic itself I turned down because I had connected a different mic to it, so I don't know, but I do have a mic attached, so hopefully somebody got some decent audio. Thank you so much for coming along, you guys. Living in this house for a month has honestly still had me in awe. I definitely now finally feel like it's mine. I do still walk around and like just like look at it like, what in the world? I think one thing I definitely had to learn was that buying furniture was going to be a process. It's at home, you have a lot of rooms to fill, and I just have so many visions. I'm like, I want to be for sure, because you know, home is typically forever, so or almost forever, so it's definitely something that I'm like, I want to take my time and make sure I just get the right furniture and get the furniture that I really see for the house, and just make sure it's still timeless but still has a lot of me in it and still has a lot of just design aspects. I want it to be fun. I want there to be a lot of statement pieces. I've been on Anthropology, like picking out just very, very unique things that I see in the future of this home. So follow along, you guys, because there's going to be so much progress made to this home. Definitely follow along on TikTok. I've been so consistent at posting every day on TikTok. So if you really want to see just life updates, house updates, every kind of update, then definitely head over there, you guys. But it has been amazing. The first month has been great. I paid the first mortgage. Maybe that's when it hit me. But yeah, everything is good. Like, I'm about to host my first event for Galentine's. I'm excited to have people in the house. I have my housewarming coming up, so hopefully that will help cover a lot of the items that I want for this space. But yeah, you guys, I'm still very, very much so in awe. I'm still very grateful. It's still hard to believe that a dream, a vision that I spoke in on August has become a reality. So I am grateful. I still love this house. I still feel like I made the right choice, and I'm just excited for the future. I can't wait to make this house a home. I can't wait to see what else this house is able to provide in my life, and I can't wait to see just the memories that it creates. So that's my update. Thank you guys for coming along on this tour. Yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.